Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be exploring Next.js and Next.js routing. So, this is the second video of the complete Next.js course. So let's get into it. In the last video, we made this. Hello, this is my first Next.js application app with two rockets. So we made this, but now and I said that we'll explore routing. Let's start. I'm on the Next.js website, documentation routing, and it says that Next.js has a file system based router built on the concept of pages. So pages is a React component basically. So a page is basically a React component. That's what we did. So in pages, in Next.js, we created this home page, which is basically a React component. And then that has to be exported, right? So if, for example, if you create a about.js file in the pages folder, it will export it as a React component. It will be accessible at /about, so like that. We'll see this in a minute. So in routing, basically we have the pages folder where everything goes. For example, the pages index.js will always be /. So here you can see we don't have a /home.js or something. We just have index.js, and Next.js automatically knows that this is going to be the thing that is going to be displayed over here. But if we want something like folders, or maybe like something like /blogs /username /id, so the ID of the user or the blog, something like that, what you can do is just say something in this code. You can come to the pages folder and create a new folder called blogs. Then in that we'll create another folder because username. So username. Now you don't want to make it like username like this, because this can be dynamic and it can be any user. So we'll see how to do that. Hashtag ID. So we want to create another folder. Again, this should not be this should be dynamic and not like this, but for now we can do it like this, and here you can just create it. But for example, we wanted to take this username, and if we, for example, don't want this ID, so you want to see what all this username has, you can do it like this. Coming to blogs username, create an index.js file over here. That, remember, index.js just, so basically index.js will still be inside username, so the route over here will still be /blogs /username, but then index.js is basically / right? So it's just going to be this. So that's how index.js works. Now I'm going to delete this whole folder. That's done. We'll work on our index. So here you can see we are returning an h1. Let me just wrap this brackets. So what if we want more stuff in? We can an h2. This we'll just press enter over here. Just format. Another one, h2. Get this error because every React component, so this will require a parent element. So do this like that. You can do something like this. Return that like this, or you can just name it div like this. So using the div element, we can save that. Because blogs username, it has a built-in photo page. Here you can see, hello, this is my first Next.js app. Hello. So let's create another route in this video, and then we'll see how to use these link component to link between. So let's create a about.js. So here we'll create a React component, call this about page, make a div for each one, about us or something like that. Paragraph just says hello, some lorem and some more lorem, maybe some more lorem, something like that. And then we can save this, come here to /about, and here you can see about us. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, be sure to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one, in which we'll discuss the link component and how to link between pages using the Next.js link component.